Hey guys, welcome to another DIY video. Today we'll be changing the oil on the 2018 BMW X5 F15 with a N55 engine. So this video will apply to all the N55 engines out there. We're utilizing the liquid Molygen next generation 5W40 oil with the Mann filter. Here's all the tools and items you're going to need. Oil pen, oil, the oil filter as well. I chose to go with the oil. I have the OEM BMW tool. The part number for this tool is right there, as well as this requires a 27 mil socket to be used. Please don't use any channel locks or anything. You're going to damage the oil filter. So just get the right tool for it. As well, the Mann filter does come with all the gaskets and everything required. You're also going to need a 17 mil socket to get the drain plug out, and some picks and some cleanup towel, as well as you're going to require ramps. I couldn't do it without the ramps due to my oil drain pen. It was too big. I'll show you a video of it in a second. Here it is. You can see how much a little room I have to be able to drain, get my hands in there. So the ramps were required to put on to be able to get it underneath nice and easily. Cover here once we start making it loose, and get some extra rag. First thing we want to get our filter. So we're just going to open it. Should be, there we go. We want to just a little bit, get some air. As we see, it's coming loose. And the next thing we're going to open, get this before we go. Still going to be pouring, but we're not going to remove it yet. Okay, so perfect. We're just making it loose as it should. Okay, now we're gonna do the bottom and let the oil. I did require to put the ramps on as it's much easier. And right here's the 17 bolt. While the oil is pouring out, you'll notice a very key feature that I made a mistake, and I'm going to require a second pen in a second. Is due to I didn't open the little yellow tab on the side to get air in, and now I'm going to need a second pen because it's overflowing. So yeah, oops. So try to avoid making sure you get one that either fully bottom or drain. Make sure you have all the air pockets aligned. We're gonna take, and it's extremely hot, and we just put it into our little bucket here, and we're gonna take this off. Side. First we need to remove this O-ring. As you see, it sits, it'll be sitting right here, the new one. So we're going to put that and make sure this doesn't break, as if it does, we need to replace the whole thing. And not the way I want to go. Don't forget, at the end we'll do a full cost breakdown of all the parts and consumable products and tools required to do the job, so please make sure you stay till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And these things can be finicky. And it's just gonna snap right there. As you see, it just snapped right here, back in. Next is we're gonna put the brand new oil. This guy can be finicky. Hopefully it goes in nice. Oh, there we go. And this seals the armor. And next, what we're going to do is replace the crush washer to a brand new one that comes with the kit. And we're going to put a new oil filter in. And this just snaps right here, and you'll hear that pop, and it's bottom out. Okay. So now let's go back. We got a new plug. We'll hand tighten it, and then we're going to torque it down to 25 newtons. We're going to hand tighten. And you got the new crush washer, making sure it's nice. We're tightening. Oops. As you can see right here,
now we're going to tighten it with the ratchet and socket. Once this is tight, just take a torque wrench and check it at making sure it's torqued to 25 Newton meters. And now we're ready to put back the oil filter. Okay, next step is we're going to put the filter back in. We're just going to hand tighten it and then use the wrench to tighten the rest. The seal itself is going to do all the work. It's going to compress it. We don't need to torque it. We just need to hand tighten it to a good, till it feels firm and bottomed out. And that's it. And we're next step will be to pour the oil in.
Just a little tap, and that's it. Now we just need to get the oil. All right.
Make sure you pour 6.5 liters of oil into the engine. That's the big bottle, small bottle, and a half of the little last bottle. So that's all it's going to require. Once this is done, we cap it off and we could clear the maintenance. And I do have a full detailed video on that, and the link will be show up on the top. Just to click, but I'll show a fast version of how to clear the service resets site and measure the oil. All right, next. So don't forget to like,
to reset our
subscribe,
service
and
indicator.
comment.
So let's do that. All right, there's our engine oil. So let's do that. So we're going to start first. If we're going to go to reset it, and we're going to press and hold this button for about a couple of seconds. Logo right there, and let's reset it, hold it, and then press it one more time, and it should be in progress. Alright, it has been successfully reset. Status, Vehicle status, engine okay. We want to measure our oil. We're going to start the engine, and it's going to go through measuring. There we go. We're at max level, and everything's good.
If you're starting for the first time and you have no tools, here's a list of how much it would cost approximately to buy all the tools and everything that you need to do the job. So take a quick snapshot of that, and let's take a look at the total cost. The total cost estimating is about $208, as well as consumables about $77. And we're running up everything together to about $285. So that's your first oil change at home, versus the dealership is about $90 to about $285. Ranges between dealerships. So please make sure you like, subscribe, and put in the comments what you liked and what you didn't like about the video, so I can improve on to the next one. So thank you for watching, and give it a like and a subscribe.